I'm going through the EDEXCEL GCSE Math Paper, Paper 1, Higher, November 2021. So today I'm going through question 11 and it reads as follows. The diagram shows two rectangles A and B. All measurements are in centimeters. The area of rectangle A's area is equal to the area of rectangle B. Find an expansion of y in terms of W. So I know the area of a rectangle is base times by height. So for A, that would be 6 times by 2w plus y. And if I expand that, that will give me 12w plus 6y. And I do the same for B, so that's 7w times by 3y plus 6. And that will, if I expand that, that will give me 21wy plus 42w. So I can, as they are equal, I can put them both equal to each other. And now I have w on both sides. So I can subtract 12w to give me 6y equals 21wy plus 30w. And as I want it equal to y, and there's y on both sides, I will bring the 21wy to the other side. And then I can factorize the y out, which gives me y brackets 6 minus 21w. So I can divide by 6 minus 21w to give me y equals 30w over 6 minus 21w. So that's the answer. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe for more GCSE past papers further.